in Montreal. Our first stop before we check in sa aming Airbnb. Oh, St. Joseph Oratory. Fortunately, it's just a 12-minute drive from our Airbnb. Hindi ito ang first time namin ni JJ dito. I think this is my third time. Pero first time na meron kaming anak. 15. The chapel. Okay, maglalight kami ng candle for our parents. Alam niyo ba, both my parents hindi na naabutan si Luna. Hindi niya nakilala yung mama and papa ko. I just talked to her about them. Okay. And Millie, naabutan lang niya dad ko. 2 months old lang. So wala na rin siyang memory masyado. At trivia, my brother's name is Jose. Named after St. Joseph. Sakto, ito. Oh, yung isa pa namin kuya, Joseph naman talaga in English, Tagalog. Oh, what do you want to say?
Hi.
Enough? Enough? Light one here. Here. And then you pray, okay? Dating parish priest dito.
Okay.
Padre Andre, tama?
Okay. Kanyang tomb, dito siya nakalibing. Si Father Andre.
Same. Andre here.
Akit tayo? Sige.
My time.
What is
This
it?
is our stop? Like this.
Okay, ito na yung mismong basilica. Thank you, Jesus, for bringing all of us here today safely.
I want Auntie Millie to sit with us.
To sit with us? Oh, there she is. You can sit beside her.
No, I want you to come with me.
Okay, I will.
Just waiting for you.
Punta na kami ngayon sa viewing deck. There's one here pala, kuya. Ito pala yung stairs. Ooh, everybody watching the sunset. Oh my gosh. A view of the city. Hello, Montreal.
Oh my kuya.
What did you say?
Oh my kuya.
Excuse me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. So ito pala, it was built by a priest, yung kaninang parang na-feature sa mga museum. It started out as a small chapel on... Yeah,
This place is huge.
it is huge.
I can stand on that.
So nag-umpisa lang siya as a small chapel on top of a hill until over the years lumaki siya ng lumaki hanggang naging isang ganitong basilica, oratory, and then the father, the priest who started this, believed na merong miraculous healing powers yung lugar na to. Kaya dinadayo ng millions, I think, of visitors every year. It's one of the most popular religious sites here in Canada. Dami. Smile, Ate Millie!
Naman, excuse me, babe.
Smile!
Hey, that's my nose.
Oh, tingnan mo yung
Don't
bata to,
decide.
naglalagay na. Hi, Ate Millie! Hi, Luna!
And look what I got.
For our first dinner, nandito kami sa Camp Ching in Montreal, but medyo late na kami kaya sabi, to go na lang daw kami. Hindi na sila nagte-take ng dine-in. Okay lang, it's okay.
Hi, what's this?
One of our friends live nearby. Who lives near here?
Right?
Tita Rice! Where are you, Tita Rice? Somebody is here! Somebody is here. Who's that? Luna, who's that? Tito Rice. My kuya. Si Kuya Chippy, si Rice. Amy, my sister-in-law. Oh, ito ka. Nagpakita.
Tito Rice.
Say hi, Tito Rice.
Dito pala.
Nagpakita. Nagulat eh. Nandyan lang kasi sa kabilang kanya.
Hindi, lagi kita pinapanood Luna.
Ginisip pa nito si Ate Jocelyn eh.
Kaya nga, tinawagan ko si... Sorry, Ate Jocelyn.
Tinanong ko saan
Siya, tinawagan ko, may sakit pala. Hindi ko naman alam. Tapos natutulog.
Yeah, dapat nga lalabas kami.
Sorry, Ate Jocelyn. Happy Mother's Day. Today is Schwartz Day. The famous smoked meat sandwich dito sa Montreal. Mahaba-haba tulog namin ngayon, kaya late na kami gumayak. Okay lang, so we are well rested. The weather's good. O, tinan mo, naka-ano lang ako. Ganito lang, wala munang makapala jacket. Unnecessary today. Here it is.
Hindi siguro masama yung pila.
Schwartz. Exit. Take out yata to. Take out counter meron din. Pero dine-in kami, kaya pipila kami.
I like your hair, Ate Millie.
Where next?
Pwedeng ano raw.
Look at all these meat. Smoked meat. Hello. Thank you.
Maybe you have to be with Mama in the middle.
Somebody
So
feed
you can
Phil.
walk forward. Let Tito Chippy stay there and Ate Millie come. Stay there. Ay, okay. Hello, everybody. You see how packed it is? Diba? May papasok lang talaga pag may magbakante ng table. Nag-Manila naman siya, di ba?
Yes.
Did you make a new video already?
Yeah, I posted it today. Just regular Coke and water for now.
Perfect. I'll bring everybody water.
Price?
Alright.
Oh, there it is. Perfect. Ito na. Lahat kami ganito.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. Montreal smoked meat sandwich on rye and mustard. It's with pickles, coleslaw, fries, poutine. Okay. Kita nyo guys? You don't like the what? At the edge? Okay, I'll slice it out. Oh, go baby. Sobrang daming meat. Kaya extra bread na lang si Luna. Kukuha na lang doon para kasi hindi naman niya mauubos yung sobrang lang. No ketchup. She doesn't. You bite this.
No!
Sarap. With coleslaw. Okay, did you like Schwartz?
Yes, it's yummy.
And,
Maalala yun sa Katsu.
okay. Nakatry na rin.
It's yummy.
It's tasty. This is my second time in Schwartz. At sa totoo, I remember the first time. Sabi ko parang, nako, ano to, medyo bland for my taste. Pero ngayon, hindi. Sakto na siya. Okay na, okay. Perfect. Ang galing nyo magbuwa.
No crossing.
Parang mas busy dito sa Montreal kaysa sa Quebec City, no?
What's this?
Look, Popsy. Oh my God. It's an adult
Tag me.
theater.
Tag me.
An adult theater. Gusto mo pumasok, ano?
Gusto ko talagang pumasok.
Ikaw! Old Port. The historic place. 1600s yata. Nag-operate tong port area na to. And now they developed it into a tourist attraction. Malapit na rin dito yung Rue St. Luc ba yun? Yung cobblestone streets. We're just gonna walk going there after we check out itong Ferris wheel. Okay, we're gonna cross. Hold on. You wait for us, please.
Go to the park.
Yes, you may. But wait. Ooh, did you look left and right? Okay, clear. Malapit na rin yata dito yung Notre Dame Basilica. Kung saan kinasal si Celine Dion a long time ago. She's Canadian, by the way. Update, health update. Dito ka, babe, para makita ka. A lot of facial exercises. Smile. Oh, yung mata niya mas no? Sabi niya it's a little bit more difficult to shut his right eye talaga. Mas mabigat palalo. So meron na siyang drops, no? Na nilalagay every few hours.
One, two. Go. This one. So show ito.
Beautiful. Echo bags. May naloko na naman. Nauto na bumili ng mga stuffies.
Maxi. Maxi.
May nauto.
I got my first pet. They can't see my.
I said you hugged me. You didn't hug me.
I got my first pet. I can't see.
Look.
Look at my pet. Look at my pet. Look at my pet.
We're doing this on Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. You're Siberian Husky.
Oh.
Mommy has.
Yung kuya ko, busy din sa kaka-cellphone. Take ng mga video. Ito na pala kuya yun, no? Jacques Cartier Park. Park nga ba?
So,
Itong mga to, they're little business kiosks. Yan, no? Artwork. Ganda, no? We went here, kami ni JJ, 2 times and both times in the past, nagpa-portrait kami. Mga drawing lang pa. Asian guy pa yung gumawa sa amin noon. Na, hanapin ko nga ngayon ko nandito pa siya. Because I remember, Jay, yung gumawa ng portrait natin dati,
Oh,
sinabi niya, di ba, naghahanap siya ng Filipina partner. Saka parang nagkaroon na siya dati.
Hiwalay na.
Oo, hiwalay na sila. So, very familiar siya with Cebu ba? Nakalimutan ko na ba? Ganon. Tignan natin kung nandito pa yun. Oh, eto na pala bigla yung St. Paul, yung Cobblestone Street. The popular street for tourists. Ayan. Diba? Which one? Nako po, balloon daw. Ito na yung Old Montreal. Montreal Putin. The stones. It's so amazing talaga. Nakakatawa, no? When you see structures from centuries ago still intact, preserved. Ang ganda. Napapakinabangan pa rin. 'Di ba? Hindi lang pang design ba? Hindi lahat pang museum. Functional pa rin yung marami. Ano yung mga kasama ko? We're looking for a cafe. Gusto ng kuya ko maglakad-lakad ng umiinom ng kape para feel na feel niya ang kanyang bagong environment.
That was a good song.
Oy, kamusta?
Yung ngiti ka nga. Ay, my darling, pogi ka pa rin.
Mga chicks dito, daw makangiti ng todo, kalahati lang eh. Dami siya nga ng chicks eh.
Ay, naka po. Now we're going to the Notre Dame Basilica. Ice cream daw, ice cream. Okay. Eto na siya. Oh. Here we are, but I think this is the side entrance. Ikutin natin yung harap. This basilica, alam ko, blue and green yung interior. So I hope it's open. Last time kami naman nagpunta dito, sarado, under construction. At mukha, may ongoing construction pa rin. Tignan nyo to. And I know this has been around since the 1800s. 1800s, diba? Kaya understandably, syempre, may mga gagawin na dito, no? To maintain the structural integrity of the basilica. Ito na tayo sa harap. There is a plaza with some musicians. Ito siya. Wala. It's closed. 9 to 4:30 lang daw. Bukas open siya ng 9 to 4:30.
Clear.
Oh, hindi na naman tayo nakapasok. Hindi pa din, ano? It's alright. Whoa!